no.
Kaya nakabagdang
Did I
din
tell you
naman.
about their
Wala naman eh.
Ay, nakita naman ni Steve ang ating mga hapin.
I know, because I've been noticing that.
Natatawa ka? Parang ka naman. Lahat kayo pinagdaan. Anong pinaproblema mo? Ayun ko kung nagsisigatan, pinakikilala.
But lately, I've been noticing her face. Like, she's like, so the doctor told me that some babies, when something is rubbed, they get sensation.
Ano nasa? Susikat matagal.
But lately, I've been noticing her face. Like, she's like, so the doctor told me that some babies, when something is rubbed, they get sensation.
Ano nasa? Susikat matagal. Lumiti ka naman dyan.
Yeah, but
Ngiti. Ngiti. Sabi ng mga ano natin yun.
and then so what we started doing.
Ay, kaya sarap dito. Mas masarap pa pala rito kung dito stay kumain. Hindi, mainit dito.
I'm serious. You know,
I was gonna ask you, were you pregnant with her?
Dalaga ka ngayon, Elaine. Dalaga ka ngayon, ha? Dalaga ka ngayon, ano?
That's already that question.
That's not my business. That's not your business.
you've never heard of that?
We're here in Laura's photography session.
Photography session.
My sister-in-law said,
Yeah, I know, you never answered me. What question was, were you